Ever pondered the price tag of poor data governance? Well, it's not just a few lost dollars or a minor inconvenience, it's a catastrophe waiting to happen. Consider the tale of a renowned multinational corporation. We'll call it Company X for confidentiality. Company X, a leader in its industry, enjoyed a formidable market presence. But beneath the surface, it was a different story. They had poor data governance, with data scattered across various departments, no standardized procedures, and a lack of oversight. The result, a ticking time bomb. One day, the inevitable happened. Company X was hit by a major data breach. Confidential client information, trade secrets, strategic plans, all leaked. The fallout was swift and brutal. Their stock prices plummeted and they faced lawsuits amounting to millions of dollars. Their reputation took a blow that would take years to recover from. But the financial loss was just the tip of the iceberg. The loss of trust from their clients, the damaged reputation, the disruption of operations, these are costs that don't have a clear dollar value but are devastating nonetheless. And all of this because of poor data governance. Now let's dissect this case a little. It's not an isolated incident, but a cautionary tale that rings true across industries. Poor data governance doesn't discriminate. It can bring down a small startup or a multinational corporation. Key takeaway number one, poor data governance can lead to financial losses. Like in the case of Company X, this can take the form of fines, lawsuits, or a drop in stock prices. Key takeaway number two, there are intangible costs as well. The loss of trust, damaged reputation, and disruption of operations can have long-lasting effects on a company's success. Finally, key takeaway number three, the cost of poor data governance is not just a one-time expense. It's a continuous drain on resources as companies scramble to fix the problem, regain trust, and rebuild their reputation. So the question is not, can we afford good data governance? It's, can we afford not to have good data governance? The stakes are high and the costs are real. So remember the tale of Company X, and don't let poor data governance be your downfall.